Experiencing data problems with your Koodo service? This video provides a fast track to resolving common issues related to your SIM card, APN settings, and mobile network configuration. We'll cover the most effective steps to get you back online quickly. For SIM card issues, start by powering off your phone, then remove and reinsert the physical SIM card. For eSIM users, erase and reinstall the profile through your device settings. For APN settings, navigate to your mobile network settings, delete any incorrect entries, and add Koodo's official APN configuration. For mobile network setup, reset your network settings, toggle airplane mode on and off, or force a carrier update if necessary. Your SIM card, whether physical or eSIM, serves as your identity on Koodo's network. It stores essential information that connects you to the service. A faulty or improperly seated SIM can lead to data connectivity issues. For physical SIMs, start by powering off your phone completely. Then, carefully remove the SIM card and reinsert it securely. Remember to back up your data before making any changes. For eSIMs, the process is digital. Access your phone's settings to erase and reinstall the eSIM profile. Navigate through the settings menu to manage the eSIM. Always back up your data before proceeding with any changes. If data issues persist after these steps, consider checking for SIM detection errors or consulting Koodo's support. The access point name, or APN, acts as a gateway connecting your device to Koodo's data network. Incorrect APN settings are a primary cause of data connectivity issues. To fix this on Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, tap Mobile Network, and select Access Point Names. Delete any incorrect entries and add Koodo's official APN settings, which are generally sp.koodo.com with no username or password. For iOS devices, the APN usually auto-configures, but manual input may be required if you continue experiencing issues. Your phone's mobile network settings, including network mode and roaming options, impact data performance. Reset network settings by navigating to Settings, System, Reset Network Settings. Toggle airplane mode on and off. You can also try forcing a carrier update by dialing *4636 on Android devices. Check compatibility via apps like Network Cell Info to identify coverage gaps. Before diving into manual settings, try these quick fixes. Restart your phone. Ensure you haven't exceeded your data plan limit by checking your Koodo account. Make sure mobile data is enabled in your phone's settings. Try connecting to a Wi-Fi network to isolate the issue. With the rise of data-intensive apps like streaming and IoT devices, troubleshooting data issues has become more common among Koodo users. This has led to a noticeable increase in data-related support queries. AI-powered troubleshooting tools, such as Koodo's chatbot, have become standard for quick diagnostics and automated fixes. Hybrid connectivity combining cellular networks with Wi-Fi is becoming more prevalent, reducing reliance on mobile data alone and improving overall connection reliability. Now, let's examine real-world case studies that demonstrate how Koodo data issues can be resolved with user-level adjustments. In the first case study, a farmer in Sudbury experienced persistent data drops after switching from Bell. The problem stemmed from outdated APN settings. By using Koodo's online tool to reset the APN to sp.koodo.com and enabling 5G mode, they improved their speeds from 0 Mbps to 200 Mbps. The second case study involves a Vancouver user who lost data during Koodo's eSIM migration. An over-the-air update corrupted their eSIM profile on an Android device. The solution was to factory reset the phone and re-download the eSIM profile through the Koodo app, which took about 30 minutes to complete. The third case study features a logistics company using Koodo SIMs in their fleet trackers. They faced APN blocks caused by security firewalls. By configuring custom APNs with proper authentication, they restored connectivity and reduced downtime costs by 20%. If you've tried these steps and still have no data, it's time to contact Koodo support at 1-866-99-KOODO. The issue might be network-related or require more advanced troubleshooting. Remember to describe the steps you've already taken to help them assist you faster.